Hello, I'm Shubha and I have 7 years of experience. I have dealt with data and different visualization tools also in the beginning of my career, and analytics was like the next step for me. So I studied and researched on the different courses that are being offered today by various organizations, and I found that Great Learning and Great Lakes had a very good reviews online, as well as a lot of people who took the course had good things to say about it. My overall experience here has been really good. There was a lot to learn. When I started, I knew only business intelligence, but that is just the beginning or the first step for the entire field of analytics. There is a lot of scope and there is a lot of learning that has to be still done. But this course was like the starter for me, and the basics are now clear for me. So the faculty of the program was really knowledgeable, really experienced in what they are doing. Some of the faculty was also from industries, so they actually know how to use these different modeling techniques in the real-time data. So not just the statistical basics or the concepts, they also went ahead to show how it is being applied in the real market. Yes, definitely I would recommend the program to all my friends, even my family members, and I believe that it will be definitely useful for whoever is interested in this field, at least to set the basics or the base ground for the knowledge, and then they can go ahead, take the learning and use it elsewhere. The overall course experience was really enriching for me. There was a lot of new things that I learned, and the basics was something that I was looking to get cleared, which was done here in this course. And I'm really thankful to everyone here for guiding us and for letting us take the next step forward. Thank you.